In Task 1, it's very important to spend time carefully analysing the visuals in order to identify the key features. If you miss a key feature, this can affect your score. So, when you look at a visual, first ask yourself the following questions. Which places, people or things is the information about? How many different things are being compared? What units are used to show amounts, numbers or proportions? And what period of time does the visual refer to? This last question will determine what verb tenses you'll use. For example, past tense, present perfect tense, or even future. Let's look at an example. So, first of all, which places, people or things is the information about? Well, in this case, the table is about the use of atomic energy in 6 countries. This also answers the second question. How many different things are being compared? That is, we have to compare the atomic energy use of these 6 countries. We also need to check what units are used to show amounts, numbers or proportions. In this case, the table shows percentages. Finally, we need to ask ourselves, what period of time does the visual refer to? In this case, the table covers a 20-year period, from 1980 to 2000. So, what tense would you use? That's right, simple past tense. Now, we need to analyse the table in more detail in order to identify the overview and the key features. How are these different? The overview is the main overall trend or trends, while the key features are the other important details contained within the visual. Remember, in Task 1, you do not need to describe every tiny detail. Let's look again at the table. Overall, you can see in the graph that in all countries there was an increase in the use of atomic energy. This is our overview and could be expressed like this. Now, let's focus on the key features. In order to identify them, you should ask yourself questions such as which information is the most important and what are the biggest or smallest changes shown in the graph. So, if we again use our table as an example, let's find some key features. First of all, we can see that the single biggest expansion occurred in the USA, where production rose from 0.9 to 2.71%. Another key feature that you could mention is the smallest increase in the use of atomic energy. A further feature that you could mention is that the use of atomic energy as a percentage of total energy production roughly tripled in the UK, Japan, and the former Soviet Union. So, to recap, whenever you have to write about visual data in Task 1, you need to spend some time analysing it, carefully looking for the overview and the key features. In the next activity, you'll get the chance to practice doing this.